Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group here with my review of 1Click affiliate site, which launched on the 17th of May at 10 AM Eastern Standard Time. In this review video, I'm going to go through this excellent new release from Ankur Shukla. Well, how would you like to hijack Ankur's successful affiliate review site, which has made him literally hundreds of thousands of dollars in the last year, and have it as your own site that you can set up with just one click and benefit from the exact same offers and reviews that are earning Ankur these sorts of incomes? Well, if that sounds something that's of interest to you, then listen on to this review video, where you will be able to watch how you can take over Ankur's new affiliate site in just 60 seconds and start earning commissions from JVZoo, Warrior Plus and ClickBank without writing any content or doing any manual work. I'll also go through my custom bonuses that are all affiliate marketing related that I've put together to go with this product. You can get them by clicking on the link immediately underneath this review video. And you can get them by clicking on any of these green buttons here before this countdown timer reaches 0, at which point they will expire. Now, I wouldn't want that to happen, as I've given away 5 really top products to go with this. I haven't given this package out before. In fact, a couple of the products I've never given out before. And so you will not want to miss those. But having said that, do feel free to go and have a look and see what other affiliates are offering with their copies of 1Click affiliate site, because don't forget, you can always come back to this page, back to this YouTube video, when you realize that the bonuses that I'm offering are way better and way more valuable than what anyone else is offering. So what is 1Click affiliate site? If you want a proven way to make real money online, this could be the answer that you're looking for, folks. You will be able to see, if you watch this demo video, it's actually also on my bonus page. It's actually down here. Yeah, click on the button there. You will see how quickly you can set a site up. You basically, by the way, there's some income proof there from Ankur where you will see exactly what he has been making from this exact same site over the past 18 months. All right. So what this essentially is, Ankur, like a lot of us, has a review website, yeah, where the site is preloaded with 50 affiliate offers, current affiliate offers, stuff that he's promoting. They come complete with review videos, banners, and all the sorts of stuff that you would expect to find on a well-resourced review site that's been running for a long period of time. Now, you can have that site as your own. So you will just put in your affiliate links. So you start by putting up your ClickBank link, your JVZoo, and your Warrior Plus links into the system, and then they will automatically customize everything in the site to have your links. Now, in the case of ClickBank, that will be automatic. In the case of JVZoo and Warrior Plus, you will then have to also add your individual product code links for each individual offer. But aside from that, everything is set up automated from the get-go. And you can literally launch a fully automated site in 60 seconds. So you won't have to do any of the content. And of course, you know, Ankur's site's being constantly updated, so it will always have brand new offers on there. All you have to do is make sure that your affiliate links are current, and you will constantly have brand new stuff to sell. So as I said, it's fully loaded with content, product reviews, graphics and videos for products from JVZoo, Warrior Plus and ClickBank. This is absolutely ideal for newbies, folks. You know, I can't think of a better way to get started online than with this, because everything is done for you. You will be given a URL, and all you have to do is to send traffic to that link, and benefit from the conversions. And this site will convert, really well, because it has been doing so for Anchor for the best part of 2 years. All right, so we'll come back to the sales page and go through it again in more detail in just a minute. I just want to cover some of the key points and also go through my custom bonuses to show you what you will get if you click on the link underneath to pick this up. So this review that I'm doing now will appear in there. So what you get, it's instant, it's done for you in 60 seconds. It's loaded with 50 product reviews. Images and product demos are all included. Offers from ClickBank, JVZoo and Warrior Plus. Just add your affiliate ID and you're ready to go. It auto adds your affiliate link all across the site. You can add your own banners to the site. You can promote your own offers on the site. It covers all traffic and bandwidth costs, so there's no hosting or anything like that. There's the next one. No domain or hosting needed. No WordPress setup or themes or plugins to worry about. Nothing to install at all. Just one click and go, and you can earn unlimited commissions. And there's just the main site, Internet Reviewer it's called, and you will see an example of one of the reviews on there. So if you pick 1Click affiliate site up from me, this is what I'm going to give you. So first, I'm assuming that you're relatively new to affiliate marketing. So I'm going to give you this complete introduction to affiliate marketing from one of my mentors, John O. Armstrong. It's about 25 videos worth of content showing you everything that you need to know about getting started and up and running in affiliate marketing, and showing you how the whole system works from A to Z. And then these are all courses offering a slightly different take on affiliate marketing and expanding your knowledge by teaching you a slightly different technique. This one from Eric Kaji here, The Secret Weapon, this is a really good way where he will talk you through easily setting up a very profitable sales funnel. I actually did this course a while ago, and I made money on the first night after setting this funnel up from Eric. It's a really well thought out funnel. This next one, The Flash Method by Ronnie Rocksmith, another take on affiliate marketing. I've never given this course away before, folks, so this is a first for me, so make the most of this. A really great course from Ronnie. The next one, El Bandito from Brendan Mace, shows you a different way of making money from other people's offers, all of which are guaranteed to be pre-approved with this course. And finally, The Breakthrough by Kenny Cannon, who's another highly successful internet marketer, affiliate marketer. So it's a great course there from Kenny Cannon, who, in fact, it's his, I think it's his most successful product ever, The Breakthrough, still selling very well to this day. So I'm including all of those, folks, hundreds of dollars worth of additional bonuses for you there, folks, because I want you to do really well and get off to a good start in affiliate marketing with Anchor's product. All right, so let's go back over here. These are just testimonials and stuff. So you will see that all you need to do is obviously you'll register your login with your details, and then you will add. Obviously, you can add a biography. Add your photo. I would advise to, because it's your site. You want to brand it. Add your JVZoo affiliate link, your ClickBank ID, and your Warrior Plus affiliate link. That is all you've got to do there, and that is pretty much it. You can also add content to the About Us sort of page. There's 2 pages on the site where you can write your own sort of introduction and bio, so to further brand it as your own site. But obviously all the product reviews, everything else on there will be the ones that Anchor has recorded, and that's it. You'll get an affiliate link then to refer people to. It's the sort of affiliate link that you would get off our ad exchanges, at the Elite Tigers Group. and then you just refer people to that link. It's as simple as that. And there's some further examples of the site, so you can see it's preloaded with offers. Anything that takes their fancy, they just click on the green button there, and then they get a full product review with videos and everything in there. And obviously it's then hard coded always with your links, so every time anyone clicks on anything in this whole site, they are going to be earning you money, not earning Ankur Shukla money. That's the same demo that's on my site. So imagine being able to launch a ready to promote affiliate site really quickly. Imagine having the freedom to earn money and make sales while having a beer on the beach. Imagine being able to get new sales notifications into your PayPal account or other payment processor account every single day. Imagine having hundreds of new customers. Imagine spending just minutes adding new affiliate offers to your site, and so on. Obviously, I'll let you read through the rest of the sales page yourself, folks. As I said, it's really, there isn't too much to say about this because it's so straightforward. You just take over the site, you add in your links, and that is all there is to it. Preloaded with 30 affiliate product review articles, all done for you. It automatically adds videos, images, graphics, and calls to action for all affiliate offers. 1-click traffic built in, get traffic from top media sites. The guys love automation and making your life easier. So anytime you want to get more traffic to your site, in just one click, you can share it on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and other top social sites to drive traffic back to your sites. Built-in automatic product recommendations that suggest other products that visitors can buy. It's fully mobilized, mobile friendly. You get automatic software updates. A built-in banner system shows ads on site with your affiliate links. Professionally created WordPress theme, fully SEO'd ready. A simple, easy and powerful admin area, no domain or hosting, nothing to install. All product reviews come with a full 4-point rating system, so this is the sort of thing that you will see. Select the articles or reviews you want to show or hide. So if there are offers on the site that you have not been able to get approval for some reason, then you can switch those offers off. So it won't be a case that Ankur then gets the money instead of you. If they buy that product, you can just take them out. It's fully secure on HTTPS. And you can make more money by turning any keyword into an affiliate link across the site. Some special bonuses from the vendor: live training on making 100k a year in easy passive income, a WordPress plugin for fast list building, and live training on how to drive 100,000 free visitors to your site. All of those bonuses. There's just some more testimonials. And the price. So you've got a choice here, folks. You can either try it out for a year and then have it on an annual renewing license for $14.95, or you can get an unlimited license without any additional yearly fees for $24.95. So that's entirely up to you. Obviously, if you take the $14.95, you'll have to renew it in a year, by which time obviously you'll have had plenty of time to decide whether it's for you or working well or not. Or you can just do that now for $24.95. Yeah. So that is that, folks. A couple more things. So let's have a look at the sales funnel. So the Pro upgrade is 67. Have I got full details of what's in the funnel? Just bear with me, folks. I just want to see if the upsells are explained further down here on the joint venture page. Doesn't look as if they are. Let me just have a look at the top. No. Okay, we're just going to have to give you the prices then on the upsells because I don't have full details. So the Pro upgrade, I know it will be good because it's from Ankur, but have a look at the Pro upgrade. It's additional content and it's 67. There's traffic and list building, which is your next upsell, which is $47. So if you need more free traffic and list building aspect, then consider that. And then there's an email upgrade, which is $67. That's the next upsell. And then 97 is your agency upgrade, your top upgrade. Now there are also some vendors bonuses that the vendor has given to give to me, to give to you. Let's just load this up and we'll see what they are. Just bear with me 2 seconds while this loads, folks. I hope it's going to load. There it is. Okay, so Member Pal WordPress membership plugin, WordPress Video Ace, WordPress Social Traffic Reseller, WordPress Tweet Machine 2 with a reseller license, and Trendpresser plugin white label. All right, so all of those you will get, as well as my custom bonuses. So let's just remind you about all of that content that you're getting here. And to get all of that, all that you need to do is to click on these green buttons here, any one of them, before this countdown timer reaches 0. Go through to the sales page, decide on whether you want the yearly or the forever license, and click on one of those buttons. And then you'll come back into the members area at Warrior Plus, click on the green button to access your copy of 1Click affiliate site, and on the blue button to access my bonuses. There's my bald head, and there I am. All right, so that is pretty much it, folks. Going to give this a 4.5 out of 5 rating. I think it's a great way for newbies to get started in affiliate marketing. There's a huge learning curve when you're first getting started. I'm not saying that you shouldn't aspire to eventually have your own site and do your own review videos and all of that. Of course you should, yeah? So that'll be the next development. And you can always earn more by doing it yourself than you will by using other people's content, right? But this is a great way that you can earn while you learn, yeah? Because this is high quality content that is going to convert 100% certain, and so why not make money while you're learning the ropes? I think it's a complete no-brainer to pick this up if you're just starting out in affiliate marketing. All right, so I hope you will pick it up from the link underneath this video. All that remains is for me to thank you as ever for watching and listening to this review video. This has been Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of 1Click affiliate site.